Everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to insert audio SD card in Toyota Prius 2016. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you where it is.
Hold and press.
What's this?
Yan.
Okay, so that is how to open the monitor screen. And underneath, you found out the SD card audio and also the SIM card. That's the SD. Okay, what's this until the end?
Normal display. Yan, see? Yan. Napakaganda.